Good morning, Professor. This is Rishma, and he's my friend Nikhil. Today, we are here to present our project demo. Now, I'll be going to share my screen. So, in order to download our project zip file, you have to go under the assignments tab. Here, you can able to see the submission file. If you can click on that, just click on our zip file. Our zip file will be downloaded. Now, you need to unzip it. If you right click on it, you can able to see extract all. Just extract it. Now you have unzipped our project file. If you can double click it, you can able to see all the required Java files here. So to open the Eclipse in order to run our code, first you need to create the Java project for that. If you can go to the file and new, you can able to see the Java project. Just click on that. You need to give the project name as assignment 1, assignment 01, and the execution environment should be Java 1.8, and no need to change any other layouts. You can just click on finish. So if you can open our project file, you can able to see the src. So just open our unzipped file. You just need to drag this folder, and you can paste it in here. So if you will be seeing this pop up here, copy files and folders. Just click on OK. Now you can able to see all our files was updated here. So here we have updated only these two files, which is remote class adapted.java and remote object adapted.java. So let's dive into our project of the code. So let's open class adapted.java. So this is the file which I have updated. So this file shows the class adapter variant. So I have extended the TV and implemented the TV remote. And also you can able to see the TV channel is private here. And if we can go to the set channel first, I make sure the number stays between 2 and 700. Instead of jumping straight to the numbers, I move one step at a time using the TV on buttons, which is super up and super down. um, this way I follow the TV rules and I cannot go past the limits. So here you can see the single step methods, which is channel up and channel down. We do the same things each time here. What we'll be doing here is first we move the device by one step using super down and super up, then update TV channel so the remote display stays synchronized. And in the final and in the show channel, we will be overriding the TV's display to print both views in one call. The first is remote's remote channel, which is using the TV channel, then the super show channel for the device. So you can see the synchronization after every operations. So in order to run this code, you just need to go to this tab. If you can click on that, you can see the run configuration option. Just click on it. Just click on the Java application for that. Here you can able to see the project and main class. So here you need to browse for your project. As you can see, this is my project, which I have said earlier. So just click on it. You just need to click on search here. As I have updated my class adapted.java code, so that is represented for the TV driver 2. So I'm selecting this TV driver 2. Just click on OK and just run it. Now you can see the expected output, the results here. We just need to cross verify with the expected output as well. As you can see, I got the exacted expected output. So let's dive into this results, how it got appeared here. So if you can see in the TV driver2.java file, first we have remote on. So the TV is on here. And if you can see the remote dot set channel 101, because it ranges between 2 and 700 range. So the remote channel is yeah, after remote is on, we have remote dot show channel, which is initially the 2, because the minimum channel is 2 and the maximum channel number is 700. So the channel 2 got printed here. And again, we have remote dot set channel 101. So the 101 channel got printed here. If you can see here, we have 96 and the 96 channel got printed. Here we have set channel dot 0, because it doesn't lies between 2 and 700, as it was below 2. So the 2 channel is printed. If you can see here, next is set channel 900, which is over 700. So the 700 channel got printed here. If you can see the remote dot set channel minus 10, which is below 2. So the channel 2 is printed. And again, if you can see here, a remote dot set channel 100, and again we have channel up, which means the channel 100 is printed and we have channel up, so it goes by 1. So the 101 channel is printed here. And after that, we have a remote dot show channel, which we have channel down, which means the 101 channel goes down by 1. So we have 100. So the remote channel of 100 is printed here. And we have remote off, then the TV is off here. Now my friend Nikhil will dive into the code of object adapter Java.
Uh,
uh, Nikhil, you can continue.
Vishnu, can you go into? Yep. Yeah. Hi, Professor. So now I'll continue on the remote object adapter.java file, how I have written it and what I have done. So let me share my screen first. So yeah, coming to the remote object adapter .java file, it's like a object adapter variant of the adapter pattern. It's like having a composition. So here, like the private TV is like it's like having an instance of the TV because we are not extending it, and here we are having the TV channel too because we want to keep a own copy for the remote rather than having the directly using the TV's channel itself. And coming to the remote object adapter constructor, so here what I have done is I have made sure that we are switching on the remote and the TV. So I'm making sure that the TV channel is also two, along with that the TV channel it's for the remote is also two, and the TV should also go down till the base channel, so both the remote and the TV will be in the synchronization. And coming to the on and off, so I'm using these methods of the TV directly, saying that it's TV dot on and TV dot off. And the channel up, it's simple. So I'm making sure that the TV dot, why I'm doing here twice is like, so I'm making sure the TV value gets updated and also the TV channel, which is the variable of the remote class will also get updated. And here I'm also making sure that the while we are increasing the channels, it won't go beyond the maximum channels, which is 700 in this case. And the same thing for channel down, but here while we are making it down, I'm making sure it won't go below 2. And when we are having a major jump such that like we are setting a channel instead of increasing or decreasing, so here what we are doing is like we are making sure whatever if they set more than 700, like the maximum they can set is 700, and here it's like if they set more than less than 2, set it to 2 minimum. So while doing that, so what we have done now is like if that TV channel was less than the new channel, so increase it and then increase the TV channel variable of the remote class. Do it simultaneously and go above so that we will be like in we won't override the properties of the TV, and it will be in synchronization with the TV and the remote both as well. And show channel, it's basically printing like what is the TV channel variable of the remote. And coming to the TV driver, so I'll just run it, but before I'll make sure how to change the configuration. So while running the configurations, we have to make sure the project is still ours, and the main class is the TV driver of the assignment 01. So once we have searched it and we can run it. So here we will have the output, which is exactly matching with this one. So let me just go through the output, why we are having it, how we are having it. So so initially what we are doing was like we are switching on the TV. So now we understood like the TV was on, and yep. And now what we are doing was we are setting up the TV channels until we get the maximum channel. Now we are showing the TV channel, so it's saying it's 700. So it's basically saying that the maximum which the TV channels can go is 700. Now we are increasing the now we are initializing the TV remote object adapter. So I mean it's like initializing switching on the TV with remote rather than switching on the TV with the power buttons of the TV. So now what we are doing was uh, initially we are showing the channel of it. It will still be 101. Sorry, it will be 2 because the TV remote object adapter in the constructor class, it will make it to 2 the base. I mean, because it is initializing 2 and it will make the TV channels TV dot down continuously until it become 2. So now that is why we have the TV dot show channel as I mean, remote is 2 and the TV channel is 2. But while we are doing that TV dot show channel, what was happening was it was showing remote channel. Sorry. Okay, sorry, I got confused. So now what we are doing was remote dot set channel 101. So while we are setting the channel to 101 and we are printing it again, so we are having this remote channel is 101 and the TV channel is 101. And again, same thing for 96, it is happening 96 and 96. But once this is the edge case where we are setting the channel below zero. So what is happening is like zero is not possible because the channels which were there were only 2 to 700. So it assigned to, and same thing when coming here, it's 900, but it is not possible. So it assigned 700 because 700 was the maximum it could be done. And same thing if it is minus 10, which is not possible, again it assigned to 2. And well, coming to here, we have assigned the channel to 10. Now what we are doing was we are increasing the channel and we are showing it. So now it was 101 and again we are decreasing the channel and it is showing it. So it's 100. That is how I have made sure all the code is working correct, and I have implemented the proper adapter design pattern for this assignment. Thank you, Professor. That's it.